and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about SSL certificates, what they are and why they matter. SSL certificate, or also known as Secure Sockets Layer Certificate, is your website's proof of authenticity and security. And it helps you establish the fact that the connection between you and your visitor's browser is secure and is not interrupted by unnecessary or unsafe sources. And if you click on the top left corner, right beside your URL, you can see it in the form of this small lock. If you click on it, a small box pops up and it says connection is secure, and there's also a validation of your certificate. It matters a lot because it helps you bring visitors, and if they realize that the connection between your website and your browser is not secure, it may ward off any kind of potential customers or targeted audience, and that's not good for your business prospect. So now that we've established the importance and the concept of SSL certificate, let's talk about how you can gain access to them. SSL certificates are paid and free. On some hosting sites, you can get them for free. On some, you have to pay for them. Now, on Bluehost, you have to pay for them as part of your web hosting plan in order to be incorporated on your website. On the other hand, on namecheap.com, you can clearly get it for free. And there are a lot of blogs and guidelines with a lot of detailed instructions on how you can install the SSL certificate and incorporate it on your website for free. Now, if you go on to the Namecheap blog, you can see that this blog right here, install free SSLs in just a few clicks. It has a very thorough section on the importance and the incorporation of SSL certificates, and you can use these steps, you can use this information in order to use and implement an SSL certificate for your own good.